So, as you know that at first I decided to pick some particular comments, but I don't want to hurt the rest of the armies. So let's just read all the comments. The first comment is from Sanli Moria. Sorry if I pronounce it wrong. She said, "I'm so introvert. Me too, Sanli, and I'm too shy to faint and die, and never make eye contact with people or BTS. So neither I'll faint nor die. I will just stand like an idiot. Another truth that I will never meet them." It's nice. Neha Verma. First of all, I will say hello. Then, can you understand English? Then I would faint. Nana. I will see them in real. Then, firstly, I stood like a statue and then pinch myself. Is it to confirm that they real? They are real or not? Me too, Nana. Chandni Batra. At that time, I will say that them that armies are really proud of them. Keep doing your good work, Purple you. On that day, I will die after coming home because the reason of my living will be successful. I already liked and gave her this comment. I just like this comment on that day too. I will literally BTS X Army. Oh, I will literally cry after seeing them. Of course, it will be happy tears. My dream too is to meet them. If someday I get chance to meet them, it's just like a dream come true. I will go them and surely ask for a hug, and I will say Jimina Sarange. If I met BTS, I would go. I didn't see cause I would faint or would get too much excited. It would be really embarrassing, so I won't even look at them because I'm afraid. I don't even know what I would do see when I see them. So I prefer pretending like I don't know them. How can you pretend like you don't know them? I was like, if I will met BTS in reality, then I will cry and cry with no reason. With no reason, literally, I will cry. When I was too heaven, I was like, I'm a person like, if I'm too happy or I'm too sad, I will only cry. It will be the most beautiful moment in my life. I would jump with happiness. I will talk about everything, how they changed my life. Literally, they changed our life very beautifully. How much they taught me and how much I love them, and because of excitement, I will die. No, you don't have to die. I will cry like it tears, pinch myself, and faint. Jack, come back. I already read this comment, and the most beautiful thing about this comment then that she said that I will just say them that I will become successful in life and make them proud of their army. So Jack, come back. I wish you will become successful in your life and you will meet BTS personally. Wish you all the best. Hebs. Word can't describe how I feel. Jungshuk, let's say that, and just thinking about it makes me feel happy. Yeah, thank you for song and for existence. Bhavya Mishra said this. Yes, their existence is like a blessing for us. Loki will be probably so excited and happy, but introverted personality speaks otherwise. Me too, an introverted personality, very introverted personality. I will take a deep breath and thank them for rolling my life, and I will like OMG and will become very excited and happy. I will not able to express anything. One word, faint. It's nice. Mannat Khan. If they would be in their personal space, I would not disturb them. If not, like a fan sign, so I would thank them for being with me when I need them most. You seems like you're so mature, Ami. If I see them in real life, I will faint for real. So this here almond milk commented that if I ever meet them, I will tell them that I really love them so much and they are reason for my happiness. I think BTS is the reason for every army's happiness. And she said that but it's not possible because I am introvert army and my cheeks will burn like a tomato in front of them. It means you're so beautiful, like Kashmiri girls. Vandana said if I will meet them, my reaction will be dumb. They will react me as an army, as usual, hi, hello and all, giving them gift and all. But if I was there, then I will forcefully take them with me. If they are telling, no one then also. I don't know how would I react, because if I would ever meet them, then I will just say Serengeo, and I will stand there speechless. Me too. First, when I would meet, oh my gosh, it's completely an essay. I'm going to give her to, what's her name? To Radhika Chandwani. I think she's very big fan of BTS. Sorry Radhika for not reading your comment, but I think you like BTS so much, and of course, I see everywhere a purple heart, and purple heart, and therefore I commented. I want to comment purple hue army. Yeah. So Gurleen Kaur said that it is never gonna happen, but if I will meet them, then I will try to stay calm and stand still and just walk with a distance between us so that they don't feel uncomfortable. I think there are so much mature army here, because no army don't wanna feel discomfort to them. Raji Balu said that I would really happy if I met them. I will just stand like a statue even I faint slap myself to know that it's real or a dream. Oh, but on the other side, this will happen in my dream. Yeah, I also meet BTS and Justin Bieber in my dream every day. No reaction. I see them, get surprised, get shocked. Arpita Aru said that and then die. I'm gonna propose Kim Tae to marry me. Seema Singh said that. So, what will your reaction, Seema, if you said yes? John Jungkook said that. I don't think I'll be able to be back to my sense. Yes. I be like heartbeat, feel sweaty in my hand, thinking because don't know what to say, feel awkward and shy inside. I think every army is in the same condition if they will meet BTS ever. First I will cry, then shake hands and we'll play games. Yay. I would be shocked and try to talk to them in some type of gibberish cause I would not be in my mind. I'll be shocked and cannot say a single word. If I was in that situation, I was like, can anyone wake me up from this beautiful and heavenly dream, please? If I know it was real, it'll be like, a girl got 1,000 slapped by the ghost. My name is Sweta. If I ever meet BTS, my reaction will be like, oh. My reaction, I must be take a selfie with BTS. But if I see BTS, I must ask BTS to become a friend for me. I was surprised and shocked and surprised and scared and nervous. I would tell them how much I love and respect them. Yeah, and thank them for inspiring me, for teaching me how to love myself, for teaching me never to give up, etc. The best thing that BTS taught us is to love yourself, that I consider. It would be a dream come true for me. It would be a dream come true for me. I would love to hug each and every member and tell how much they are important for me. I can't even imagine my reaction will come at that time. I can't express it now. At first, I will get frozen. Uh, I will I will try. I will try to talk to them, and if we have any interaction like they have in the fan sign event, they will see how cold as my hand has become, and I might even cry or faint. If I really meet BTS, then there will be no difference between me and a statue. Oh, loved it. If I'll meet them someday in Korea, firstly I'll say namaste and then tell how amazing they made our lives and tell them to come India and enjoy wonderful time here. First I will bow to them because of their hard work and making my life beautiful, and I will thank them for that. My heart will stop beating. Beating, yes, of course. Because you see your heart in front of yourself. Damn man, if I'll meet them, my heart boom boom, like literally, I'm going to die from happiness. My heart will like garden all the day long in that moment. First, I would say Anango. Anango, my sorry army, I don't pronounce Korean. You know, it's I'm too bad at Korean. I just even write some word but can't pronounce it. She also said she don't know Korean, and then she will give some gifts and letter for each of them. This is so sweet. I think I will totally mad. Me too. And but I know I can't meet them in my real life. A lot of love from Pakistan. Amazing dudes writes that would be the greatest and happiest day in my life. I would tell them how much we army love them and how they have influenced us. Yes. Me, girl, don't panic, BTS. Me, am sir, I'm coming down village area. Faima Unisa, wake up from my dream. Why you guys are so negative? Maybe in future you will meet them. I mean, you never know what will happen in your future. What God's written in your destiny, you know. I would stare, but I would not say anything because I'm probably too shy. Maybe I would just film a little, even though I know it's not right. I would love and spend time with them. It's too difficult. I mean, there are lots of armor and there are only 7 angels. And I'll die if they do eye contact with me because I'll be successful for whom I am living. I think I will shout out and BTS will get scared. Wake up from my dream. She commented 2 times, I think. Tiger's Bunny. I will not cry because BTS does not like armies crying. But I can't meet BTS because I'm in South India. You will meet. I mean, I would talk to them as a normal army and try not to invade their privacy. This is our mature army, Monica Chetty, whatever. Sorry for the wrong pronunciation, Monica. Munni Tiwari. I saw this post yesterday but didn't comment anything because I don't know what to say and really thinking a lot about this question. Then my conclusion is I really don't know. Let me meet them once. Sorry to waste your time. It's okay. I like your comment. First of all, I'll say hello, how are you? You're fine because if they are fine, I'm also fine. Well, my name is Anshika. It's nice. I meet BTS. I'll be so crazy and I can may shout. I'm super excited about meet. I and BTS. I wish it may come truth. Me too. My name is Nandana. I love you guys, BTS, so much. Can I take a selfie with you guys? Then will be in the hospital for 1 year. I will cry hard. Me too. Same reaction. Srishti Mehta. First of all, I will get a heart attack, and rest is history. Manzista Paul. Ash, Hina Noor. She's so shy. Mekane Hyung. I think she's from Korea. I say, BTS, please do something for poor armies. They also want to see BTS and go concert. Please do something for them. I think the only thing that is only way that poor armies can meet BTS is through their dreams. I will not be dramatic like others. I will talk a little. My reaction died. I'll probably cry and faint like every army does. I'll be very happy. Mohsin Rahman Mehak. Black unicorn. I would make a finger heart smile and die. Me. So, me, oh hi, BTS, okay, me, bye. How can you say bye to them? I can die, but I never say bye to BTS. Great job, you all. Ashwarya X B Sundarya. I will be in heaven without dying. Yes. You are in heaven if you see 7 angels in front of you. Rest in peace. So Sabah said that if I met him, I will kidnap him. Me too, Sabah. I will also kidnap him. I will also kidnap all of them and take care of all of themselves more than myself. Rest in peace. She commented again, I think, rest in peace. Rihanna Mudassir, jump here and there. I will die. Me too. I will cry. I will propose as J Hope, and then I will die. It's my reaction when I will meet BTS. Thank you guys for watching.